Hey guys, it's Talecia Style here, back with another video. Now today in my video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a simple DIY manicure at home. I know we're all stuck inside the house due to Corona and we're not able to get out to the salon, so I am going to show you guys today how I did my mini manicure at home. I'll show you guys all the supplies and the step-by-steps, so just continue to watch if you want to find out how to get these wonderful nails. So this is the supplies you'll need. Now I'm using Sensationail's gel nail polish in the color All Day Eye Rosé because I'm sure a lot of us are just drinking all day because it is Corona. But either way, I really like this brand. The gel doesn't require a primer or a top coat, so you just do a few coats and you're good to go. So I've been using this gel nail polish for a few years now, and I've collected a few colors. Now I'm going to use Mauve It or Lose It alongside this glitter color today. So as you can see, my lamp is pretty beaten up. I've had it for a few years now, but it still works. Now, I don't know if they still sell this exact same one, but I will link some down below for you to purchase. As long as it's an LED lamp, it should work perfectly fine with your nail polish. So I washed my hands with warm water, and now I'm going to just go in and moisturize it with the Marche plant-based vegan lotion. It's really nice and very moisturizing. And then after, I'm going to just push my cuticles back with the toothpick, and then I am just going to go over my nails with some of the acetone just so that there's no grease or oil on my nail beds. So you're gonna go in with your cuticle clipper, that's the professional term, and you're just gonna clip away all of those cuticles that you've pushed back. Then you're gonna take your buffer and you're gonna buff the nail beds just so that the nail polish adheres better to your nails. And then you're going to take your nail file and just shape your nails on how you would want them to be shaped. So how I apply the nail polish, I apply one coat and then I cure it, meaning I put it in the lamp for 30 seconds, take that out, apply another coat, and then put it back in for 60 seconds for it to cure or dry fully. Now with the glitter nail polishes, you don't need too many coats just because it's so opaque already. But with the colored ones following up after this, I did at least 2 or 3 coats. Here you can use your toothpick just to wipe away all of the excess nail polish on the sides of your nails. All right, guys, there you have it. My DIY at-home gel manicure. This is what I do for mine. I hope that this was easy enough for you to follow. Make sure you comment down below and let me know what other videos you would like to see from me and more DIYs. As well, make sure you like this video. You share this with someone who's stuck inside the house like me. And as well, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. Stay safe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.